Day two of wild volatility on Wall Street as trade tensions with China spooked investors. Today, reaction to the arrest in Canada of Meng Wanzhou, an influential executive of a Chinese telecom giant. The U.S. requested the arrest in the midst of a trade war truce.
Stocks falling sharply again on more trade tensions with China and growing fears of a slowing U.S. economy.
At its worst today, the Dow Jones Industrials were down 784 points. Then a stunning rebound. The market coming back 700 points to close down just 79. The whiplash weighing on Americans' 401ks, pension funds, and college savings plans.
If you look at it every day, you're going to be really crazy. You'll need a therapist and maybe some alcohol.
I think we have to be careful at going too far down the tariff road and doing too much with tariffs.
But market pros urge investors not to panic, insisting the U.S. economy remains strong.
Unless you're in it professionally, as I am, trying to get in and out of the market is a fool's game.
Amid the volatility, a keen focus on a simmering trade dispute between the world's two biggest economies. Tom Costello, NBC News.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.